Good evening, I'm Craig Stevens, and on behalf of Vodafone Business, welcome to London's Leicester Square for the European premiere of Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker.
I am excited. The nerves have dissipated slightly. My family are here somewhere and we're about to watch the film.
If you could take one piece of Star Wars technology, what would you like to have?
I think Lightspeed would be very good in London traffic. I mean, just go shoot.
I'm just going to be really straightforward and say the doors. I'd like them in my house, please.
A little electric power in at least my pinky. You know, I'd use it for good.
What advice would you give to those new entrepreneurs coming through?
To be a filmmaker, you don't need anyone's permission. You can make your film, tell your story, and distribute it everywhere on your own.
Make sure your work ethic is up to par, because the work ethic on the Star Wars movies really shocked me. It was a life change. So keep on doing what you're doing.